26 degrees at the beginning of August. Welcome to winter in South Africa, which is why we are replacing the cabin filter in this car. Also because it's getting warmer, we start using the aircon a lot. So just to get everything else out of the way, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's quite easy. All you need is two things, basically like maybe a flathead screwdriver and an 8mm socket. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean now. I'm gonna show you exactly what we're gonna be using, and I'm gonna leave links in the description below so you can check this filter out for yourself. Also find all terms of it. Now without further ado, let's get into replacing the cabin filter. This is the cabin filter right here. It's a cool expert brand. This is what I've been able to source out locally. Now I'll leave links in the description so you guys can check out multiple other cabin filters for the E90. All depends on what you would like to purchase and what's available for you. To remove it, all you have to do is remove the 8mm which is found on the top end of the cowl cover here, as well as one here. Now mine is broken here, so I don't have this one, so I got like 5 only, but you'll have 6 if yours everything is intact. Replacing the cabin filter is super simple. All you have to do is push in these little clips on each side. There's 3 of them, and it just slides out. Easy. And as you can see, the difference between the new filter and the old filter, you can see how much of dust and grime and everything is coming up. I'm sure you can see it, but it's quite dusty. So this needs to be replaced, and to put in the new one, or to install the new one, is quite simple. It's going to be the exact same process as how you removed it, but opposite. So you're going to take the ends that has these pointy ends here, and you're just going to put it in at an angle, making sure everything tucks in nicely. And it just clips in. Now with that part done, as you can see, it's super easy to get it in. It's just a little bit to finesse it in because of the foam gasket that's around it, but it should just slot in quite simply, like how I just demonstrated. So all you're going to do is just going to place it in. Like that, and bolt it back up. There you have it, guys. Cabin filter replacement done. Super simple, super easy, quick and fast. Anybody can do this. Just a matter of 6 8mm screws, some clips, and it's done. Now this will be part of the service maintenance playlist that I'm making on the channel regarding engine service, brakes, filters, you name it. So as and when it needs to be done, I shall be doing it. Now all you need to do now is to reset the service light, which I'll show you guys now. To reset the service interval, all you're going to do is turn the ignition on. As you can see, it says service due. So all we're going to do is press and hold the trip reset button until you get this triangle and then the service light. From there, you're going to press the BC button once until you see reset. You're going to press and hold it afterwards until the clock comes up. You should get a check mark once it's done. Perfect. As you can see now, it's due in August of 2025, which I'm going to change to 2024 in a later video. Alright, and to exit it, just take the key off, and that's done. So that's it, guys. Cabin filter done, service parts done. So all the major service intervals that need to be addressed has been done. Cabin filter has been done. The oil change has been done. Next, you got the small minor things which will be done as we can. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video informative, please leave a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. So the best way to help me grow on YouTube is to just like the video. That's all I ask. The more likes we get, the better that I can grow on YouTube and be even more motivated to make more videos. So yeah, service parts done, maintenance done. Now it's time for mods. Now you'll see exactly what I mean in the next coming videos. So until then, I hope you stick around. I hope you like the video. Please thank you for supporting me in all I do. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Drive safe. Have a good one.